At a Home Depot right now, and definitely want to make sure you check your boxes. I'm looking for some handle door sets, and you wouldn't believe what they accepted as returned. Here's one box. Look at this. It's supposed to be shiny and new. Look at this. How could someone have said, yep, this is the same item? Look at it. It's missing parts. There's no instructions. There's no packaging. You can see they clearly have their old screws, and this was in the new parts bin. This was right here. I mean, that's, I don't know what to say about that. That's disgusting. This is empty, and there's no keys. So I don't know how that could have possibly passed quality inspection. Here's the second box here. You wouldn't think it's bad, but take a look at this lock. It's not even the same lock. Who is inspecting this? It doesn't even make any sense. So those parts are, don't make any sense. Here's a third one. And apparently there's a deep socket tab. I don't know if someone put it in there and took it or what. This looks used. It looks like they installed it, but look, this has corrosion on it. So this is an old one. It's not even the same one that was sold. You can see that this was installed over time, not once or twice. So, I mean, would you even trust these keys? I mean, it's ridiculous. And there are parts here that weren't even supposed to be part of the box. I mean, that's not part of it. So imagine you're trying to follow instructions and you're like, what in the world are these? I think actually, I take that back. I think these are probably for this, but those two boxes didn't have any. So now you understand why I'm confused. It doesn't even make any sense. So now I'm at my fourth box, and it was already open, so I cut it open. And so let's see, looking at those parts here, whether those parts are here or not. So 4 out of 4. This looks better packed, although it was taken apart prior. It doesn't look like this has been installed. So it looks like we have the screws. We have the door handle. Yep, so there's that plastic retainer. So they both have it, so that's good. And this appears to be brand new. So let's verify that I have, you know what? I'm missing a part. You gotta be kidding me. Handle check. Handle check. So I've got those two. I have both of these. That's these guys. But I'm missing this faceplate. Oh, you're kidding me. Great. So 4 for 4. Items not even here, and I'm even curious to see if this lock makes any sense, or whether someone put in a different lock altogether. Alright, this looks like the lock, and the keys are here, so great. Okay, so 4 boxes, none of them have the right parts, and some of them definitely have the wrong parts. So this is the last box that's here. So I'll open this, and let's see if I get lucky at all. So I'm going to just hold this phone here. We'll see if I get real lucky or not. Maybe I could cobble one of these up. Alright. So far, sorry for that video. Alright, so it's been installed, and if you look carefully, it's twisted. This is actually twisted. Look at that. It doesn't. How can this pass? Cannot someone look at it and say, hey, this is clearly installed and it's damaged? There's no way that this could have passed. I mean, you can see the stress marks on that. That is ridiculous. Alright, so we have 2 of these. Notice now the retainers that we saw before aren't there. Hey, look, the faceplate. 2 side plates. This has been chipped off, so this is now missing. So I think this goes in here, but there's supposed to be a clip here to hold this in. So I don't know where that is. So that's a part. And keys, and that's it. Great. So out of the 5 boxes that were supposed to have the lock, none of them had the right parts. So just be cautious.